The bent iron solid fuel steam generator is the fastest and safest way to generate steam. It is up to 30% more cost-effective than similar products in the market and operates with loose biofuels such as wood pellets or sunflower husks and industrial wood chips. The fuel hopper is equipped by a door including an inspection window and a residue level indicator. A disc stirrer device ensures an even fuel supply. The fuel is delivered into the combustion chamber by means of a horizontal and vertical screw. The fuel is combusted on the retort. Preheating of the air to 70 degrees, its automatic distribution to each of the 4 zones of the furnace and the drawer ensure the most complete and qualitative combustion of fuel. The feed pump supplies boiler water to the economizer via the metering unit. The outlet gas temperature preheats the feed water. In the heating section, steam generation and steam reheating occur if required. The bent iron steam generator is designed to work automatically and does not require the constant presence of service personnel. The boiler automatically responds to change in steam consumption by the plant technology. The bent iron steam generator is fitted with a pneumatic system for effective ash removal. In the cyclone economizer, ash accumulates in the lower part from where it is automatically evacuated outside. The operation of all ash cleaning systems requires no stopping of the steam generator. In the boiler, the ash is collected in the ash pan, from where it is removed outside the boiler by means of air. A considerable advantage of bent iron steam generators is the modular design, which allows all installation work on the site to be accomplished in a matter of few days. The equipment can be easily dismantled and quickly relocated to another location.